Are you tired of clicking on free YouTube automation course videos only to realize they're just a 10-minute sales pitch for a $1,000 program? Yeah, me too. This video is different. In this YouTube automation with AI, Full Course 2026, I'm going to walk you through a logically complete, beginner-friendly blueprint for building a faceless YouTube channel powered by AI. No bait and switch, no. I'll show you the secret if you buy my thing. Just a full breakdown you can actually follow. By the end, you'll understand what YouTube automation really is in 2026, the two main models that actually work, how to pick a niche and spy on winning channels the smart way, how to set up and warm up your channel so it doesn't die on upload 1, and how to use AI for scripts, voiceover, visuals, and thumbnails without needing to be a pro editor. So if you've been stuck in binge watch mode and you're finally ready to build something, stick with me. Hey, I'm Eli Rowan. When I first started looking into YouTube automation, I made the same mistake most people do. I watched a bunch of gurus promising passive income and copy my secret system, and I walked away more confused than when I started. Some told me I needed a $3,000 editor. Some told me I needed to be on camera. Others showed results but never explained how they actually got there. Meanwhile, behind those crazy thumbnails and big income screenshots, there are people quietly running simple, repeatable systems that work. Faceless channels that use AI for scripting, voiceover, and visuals. Simple educational channels that focus less on ad revenue and more on digital products and affiliate sales. Once I understood those two basic paths and realized AI could handle most of the heavy lifting, this whole YouTube automation thing went from mysterious and intimidating to something that looked very doable. That's the mindset I want you to have in this video. No magic, no shortcuts, just a clear system. So first, let's answer the obvious question. What is YouTube automation in 2026 really? When people say YouTube automation now, they're usually talking about one of two models: AI slop faceless channels. You never show your face. AI helps you write scripts, generate voiceover, and create images or simple B-roll. You stitch everything together into engaging videos. Your main goal is ad revenue, plus maybe some affiliate links. Faceless educational/brand channels. These can still be faceless, but the focus is teaching something valuable. Ad revenue is usually lower per view, but the real money comes from digital products, courses, affiliate offers that actually solve a problem. For beginners, the AI slop faceless model is usually easier to start with. You don't need to be a personality. You don't need a camera. You can practice in the background and share only when you're ready. In this full course, I'm going to focus mainly on that faceless AI-powered model because it's what most people can realistically start with in the next 30 to 60 days. Here's the big picture of what we're going to cover. How to pick a niche that actually has potential. How to research competitors the right way. How to set up and warm up your channel, how to build an AI-powered workflow for scripts, voiceover, and visuals, and how to think about monetization beyond just RPM. Let's start with the niche. Step 1. Pick a niche that's already working. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to be original in the wrong way. They try to invent some niche nobody's ever heard of, and then wonder why nobody's watching. The safer play is this: don't try to invent a niche. Find a niche that's already working, and then compete with your own spin. So here's a simple process you can follow. First, think about broad categories that tend to do well: money and finance, tech and AI, stories and compilations, health, fitness, and self-improvement, luxury, cars, travel, motivation. Then inside one of those, go hunting for channels that are clearly faceless. No strong personal brand up front. Videos made from clips, stock footage, or animations. Titles that follow repeatable patterns. And most importantly, recent videos still getting views. You can start with YouTube's homepage and search, then go down the rabbit hole of related videos. The key is, look for a niche where you can find dozens of active competitors, not just one random lucky channel. If a niche has at least 10 to 20 channels regularly posting faceless videos and getting views, that's actually a good sign. Someone with more experience might spot an underserved niche earlier with fewer competitors, but if you're brand new, it's safer to go where the proof already exists. Step 2. Study your competitors like a scientist. Once you've found a niche, your job is not to guess what might work. Your job is to reverse engineer what's already working. Pick a few channels that are clearly faceless, have consistent uploads. Now you're going to look for patterns. What topics come up over and over again, and have multiple videos with solid view counts relative to their subs? What do their top videos have in common in terms of title structure? Are they using lists, stories, secrets, or news style? How long are the videos? Do they use a specific type of thumbnail, faces, text, icons, colors? You can do a lot of this manually, or you can use tools like vidIQ or similar to speed it up. Sort videos by most viewed in last 90 days. Look at outliers, videos that got way more views than the rest of the channel. Note down patterns in a simple doc or spreadsheet. The point isn't to copy, the point is to understand what the audience has already voted for with their attention, and then create your own versions with better scripting, better pacing, and a slightly different angle. Step 3. Set up and warm up your channel the smart way. Here's something most people don't tell you. If you just create a fresh channel and immediately start dumping faceless videos, there's a chance your channel gets what people call shadow banned. Is there an official button YouTube presses? No. But from experience, a channel that looks like a bot often gets treated like one. So instead of that, do this. For about a week before uploading, use the channel like a real human would. Watch videos in your niche from start to finish, like a few videos. Leave normal comments here and there. Don't spam, don't leave 200 comments in an hour, don't binge for 12 hours straight. Just behave like a regular viewer for 30 to 60 minutes a day. Then, set up your profile picture, banner, and description. Add a short, simple channel description. AI can draft it, you just tweak it. Set your country and basic channel tags based on what other successful channels in the niche are using. You can see this with tools like vidIQ. You don't need to overthink branding at this stage. Your main goal is to have a real-looking, niche-aligned channel that YouTube learns to associate with a certain type of content. Step 4. Build your AI-powered content workflow. Now let's talk about the part everyone cares about. Actually making the videos. Here's a simple workflow you can use. 1. Topic selection. From your competitor research, pick a proven topic style, like Top 10. The story of why X is failing. X versus Y. Feed that into AI and say, you are a YouTube content strategist. I'm running a faceless channel in the niche. Based on this topic idea, insert idea. Give me 5 clickable title variations and a 10-minute video outline that's structured for retention. Pick the title that feels clean and clear, not the clickbaity mess. 2. Script writing with AI. Once you've got an outline, ask AI to draft a script. Then do what we've done with your other videos. Read it out loud. Cut anything that feels robotic or over-explained. Add small stories, analogies, or quick asides in your own tone. Keep it moving. No long rambles that don't push the video forward. The script should feel like a confident narrator, not a corporate training video. 3. Voiceover. You can record your own voice, or use AI voice tools if you want to stay fully faceless. Either way, aim for clear pacing, slight dynamic emphasis on important lines, no monotone drone. 4. Visuals. Here's where AI really helps. For faceless channels, you can use stock footage and B-roll. Use AI-generated images/illustrations. Add simple motion to still images, zoom, pan, etc. The key is matching visuals to what's being said, not just dumping random clips on screen. 5. Thumbnails and titles. Thumbnails are a huge part of YouTube automation. You can use AI image tools to generate a strong central object or character, clean composition, high contrast between subject and background. Then add bold, minimal text in an editor, 2 to 4 words max, big, readable font, high contrast colors. Titles and thumbnails should work together. The title creates curiosity and context. The thumbnail creates emotion and focus. Step 5. Monetization and realistic expectations. Let's be real for a second. You're not going to upload 3 videos and retire. But with a good niche and a consistent workflow, you can get to a point where the channel is monetized, ad revenue is coming in, and you're slowly stacking videos that work for you 24/7. Over time, you can layer on affiliate links in the description, simple digital products related to your niche, sponsorships if the channel grows enough. Also understand the trade-off. AI slop faceless channels, more focused on ad revenue, volume, and testing many ideas. Educational/brand channels. Harder to grow, but much higher upside with products and high-ticket offers. You can start Faceless and later evolve into a more educational style once you've built skills and confidence. Let's wrap this with a simple action plan you can actually follow. Over the next 14 days, days 1 to 3, pick your niche. Find at least 10 to 20 active Faceless competitors. Write down what their top videos have in common. Days 4 to 7, warm up your channel with normal viewing and engagements. Set up your branding and basic settings. Decide on your first 3 video topics based on what's already working. Days 8 to 14, use AI to outline and script your first 3 videos. Record voiceovers and create simple faceless visuals. Upload optimized titles and thumbnails and start watching how YouTube responds. Your first uploads won't be perfect. They're not supposed to be. The win isn't viral video in week 1. The win is getting your system running so every week you can publish, learn, adjust, and improve. If this full course helped make YouTube automation feel possible instead of confusing, do 2 quick things for me. Hit the like button so more beginners can find an actual complete guide instead of more fake free courses. Subscribe and turn on notifications because I'm going to be breaking down specific parts of this system, scripts, thumbnails, monetization strategies, and separate deep dive videos. And if you're serious about building a faceless channel this year, drop a comment and type full course 2026 so I know you're one of the people who actually implements. I'm Eli Rowan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.